Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic is story illustration for the COVID 19 Chronicle. Let's see the material required for the drawings: pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black macro tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper or a drawing book. First, you have to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page. Write down the heading on the top. On the left hand corner, write down today's date. Take a 3.8 cm distance from the left side borderline and draw 9 by 9 cm 6 boxes for the story illustration. For that you have to take 18.5 cm distance from the first point and draw on a horizontal line and divide this line into 9 cm, and in between these two boxes we required zero point 0.5 cm distance. Now we draw on a vertical line for the two boxes we have to draw horizontally. Then take 3 cm distance from the upper side to draw upper line for the boxes. And now from this line we take 28.5 cm distance to draw three vertical boxes. On this line take a point or 99 cm distance, and after each 9.5 cm distance you put a dot on a zero point 0.5 cm distance. Again on a right hand side also you have to repeat all the points, and then we are going to join these all the points so that we get on a 9 by 9 centimeter 6 boxes 2 into 3 manner. Then we darken these boxes and erase all unnecessary lines. Then starts a drawing. In this drawing we show on a COVID-19 chronicle, that is the scenario in COVID-19 lockdown. This is the story of one girl who is at home because of coronavirus lockdown, and she wanted to visit her favorite restaurant with her friend, but because of she is suffering from the flu and slight cough, she don't want to go in a restaurant because she maybe has a corona infection, and she don't want to infect her friends with this coronavirus infection. But everybody has two minds: one is an angel, one is demon, and this angel and demon minds convince her to go or not go decision. But finally she decided that I'm not going to visit this restaurant, and she called her friends that I'm not going to come with you, I meet you afterward. And this is our general responsibility in this coronavirus lockdown, to stay at home and protect others to infect from the coronavirus. Now this is our full drawing and I'm going to start painting with the background. I fill up an orange color in a background. For that you have to take a direct orange color from the poster color, or you can make an orange color with mixture of lemon yellow plus red. Be carefully, you have to fill up the colors in the background because I'm drawn all the figures as well as the conversations also. So only the background thing you have to fill up with the orange color. So all the gaps you have to fill up properly. While applying a color you can use any number of brush that you are comfortable to fill up the color. I am using a 6 number brush for the application of the orange color background color. But if you are not comfortable with the big brush, you can use small brush. And the corners of the boxes also very much important, you have to fill up it properly. You can see how carefully I fill up all the colors in the background so that all the drawings and conversations also look properly. First you have to draw your drawing with the HB pencil, and when you think that this is a final drawing, you have to finalize with the 2B pencil and darken this drawing. I already drawn this drawing for you so that you can understand the scenario very well. And actually this drawing requires very much time because arrangement, all the figures and the conversation is most important in the story illustration, so it's required very much time to complete this drawing. That's why I'm not taking time to show you a drawing. I directly starts a coloring. I already drawn on a drawing for you. As you know, I am already told you the scenario of the drawing. In this first drawing, she talked with her friend on a phone. Her friend R invite her to come to the dinner with them in her favorite restaurant. And in a second scenario, she is thinking about this invitation, and her inner mind, those are angels and demons, they are convince her to go or not go. In third scenario, the angel mind is convince her to not go to the restaurant with her friends, and that angel mind kicked her demon mind out of the box. In a fourth slide, she told her friends that she is not able to come to the restaurant because she is suffering from the flu and cough. This is the scenario of the four slides. In the first slides, I write down the heading, and in a final sixth slide, I am write down the motivation with text from this story illustration. Here I am applying an orange color in the background. You can see how carefully and properly I am applying an orange color. You need to apply very properly, otherwise your drawing get mess out and all your hard work is goes in a wrong direction. These all the four slides I fill up with the orange color. Now for the final slide, I apply on a dark pink color in a background. Here is the small face drawing of the doctor who is giving a motivation in this corona lockdown and told us about the general responsibilities we have and how we face on a coronavirus in this corona lockdown. Now we starts coloring an object. First we starts with the plants. I fill up in a green color to the plants. Then slowly we fill up all the objects with the transparent color, and then finally trace with the black micro tip pen. All the plants first we fill up with the green color. In the second slide and in a fifth slide we have a plant. Now this is on a TV, the backside view of the TV we are showing here. For that I am taking in a brownish red color. It generally it's a black, but I am showing on a fresh color here, that's why I am taking on a reddish brown color. For the sofa I am taking on a light leaf green color, which is look very rich in this drawing. For that I am taking on a light green plus yellow and slight amount of yellow ochre, so that we get on a this tone. Full sofa I am fill up with this color. For the t-shirts we fill up on a light pink color. In all the slides the t-shirts are light pink in color. Generally girls love this pink color, that's why I am taking on a pink color t-shirt for these girls. Now we starts with the skin. For that I am making a skin color. You require yellow ochre, red plus white to make a skin color. Here you have to apply on a plain skin color. Don't want any shade or the tint tone of the colors because this is on a two-dimensional figures. Like memory drawing, we generally apply on a light and dark tones of the colors to show the roundity, but here we don't require any roundity. This is a two-dimensional figure story illustration. That's why I'm not taking any light dark or middle tone. Just apply on a skin tone plain. But when we apply on a skin tone, we have to be carefully apply because we already drawn on eyes and eyebrows here. So you carefully apply a color, otherwise this drawing also gets fade out, and after you again want to draw. In such situation, first you have to draw on outlines and then draw on eyes and nose with the pencil. Slowly drawing is come out from the background because we already fill up on the background, and only we have to fill up the figures that are remaining in our drawing. All the features we see properly. For the demon, I fill up in a red color, and for the angel we fill up in a white color. Mobile screen is generally blank when we talk. That's why we take on a brownish red color here. I am going to show the three dimensions of TV. That's why I am fill up the three tones to the TV. We already fill up on a darkish reddish brown to the TV in the back side. On upper side the light tone, and on the right hand side part we fill up in a darkened tone of this reddish brownish color by adding in a blue color. Also in a mobile we fill up on a darkened tone on a corner and merge with the water so that it gets an a roundity. Like that we merge with the water so it gets a middle tone also, and we get a roundity. Hairs of the doctor we take an orangish yellowish color, and for the girl's hair we take an black color, but I am not taking an exact black color. I am taking a red plus brown plus blue color so that we get a blackish reddish tone, which is we generally use for the hairs. Also I am draw on eyes and eyebrows with the hair at the same time. If you are not comfortable with the brush, you can use a black Mico tip pen, and afterward, after completing this coloring, you can trace or draw these eyebrows and eyes and nose with a black Mico tip pen. For the tiny parts of the drawing, you can take small number of brush. Here I am using a 2 number brush for the all the parts because I have a practice. But you don't take any risk. You you can take a small number of brush like 0 number brush for tiny parts like in an angel's hairs, and fill up the colors with the bold brush, but you can use 0 number brush so that you can comfortably fill up colors in a small tiny parts. Pants also I am taking on the same dark tone. Now I am start tracing a drawing with a black macro tip pen. You can take 0.5 black macro tip pen for this tracing, or if you have an zero point 0.7 black macro tip pen, which is very much good for the story illustration. Now all the objects are come out from the this background. We just fill up colors in our drawings. Now because of this tracing, all the features we can see easily. Now you can see in a sofa we get all the dimensions. Also in the plants, all the bushes we can show very properly. Also the expression of this angel also you can see very easily. This is the main advantage of the story illustration, and because of this black microtip tracing you can easily highlight all the features of the drawing. This is a demon, and you can see the expression of this demon, and he is holding some instrument in his hand like shape of the trishul we can showing with the black microtip pen. Also she has a tail, that also we are showing here with this black microtip pen. So we get on all the features here because of the black microtip pen, and this is the main important part of the story illustration. Now we trace the figures also with the black microtip pen, all the fingers, all the features of the figures, also the mobile details also we showing with this black microtip pen. Now we're tracing the forms for the conversations which are in ovalish in size, and inside this white oval we write down the conversations of this girl. Hi, the girls wanted to meet tonight. This is the first conversation. Oh, I have been wanting to visit that restaurant. That is, that girls wanted to visit this restaurant, and she asked to her mind, do I go to visit them? Box also we trace with a black microtip pen so that it gets in a highlight and it gets in a dimension. Now you can see this second slide how it's come out from the background and it gets in a dimension. Like that I am draw all the messages in the all the slides, and this is the final slide. Be socially responsible, don't go out if you have a cold or flu. Do your part to fight COVID-19. This is the message going to give Dr. Dale Fisher, who is the part of the WHO and a professor in infectious disease NUS, and also a chairperson of the Global outbreak, alert, and research network WHO. Now we start with the first slide. This is the heading of the story illustration. I keep this slide white and just write down the heading. Note to mind about it. NU is the sponsor of this story illustration. The meaning of the NUS is Yong Lu Lin, the School of the Medicine. Also, we write down the COVID 19 Chronicle, which is the subheading of this story illustration, and then we write down the main heading, no two minds about it, with the bold letters. I hope you understand this story illustration. Like that, you can make different kinds of story illustration with the different characters and different subjects with minimum 6 slides. This is a 6 slide story illustration with 4 slides of the information, that is the story, and the 2 slides for the one for the heading, and final slides for the motivation we get from this story. This heading also we trace with the black marker pen. We give a dimension with the black color so that it gets a boldness. Also highlight more. No two minds about it. You can see here. This is a final step for our story illustration. Hope you understand this story illustration. You also make such kind of story illustration to spread a knowledge about the coronavirus and how you take care at home in this coronavirus lockdown. I am doing some decoration also, so it's good, very nice. Now finally, somewhere we required on a white tone like the circle above the angel that we are going to show with the white color. If you require any white highlighting, you can do it by your own. And this is our final step. Thank you. Best of luck.